Hello, welcome to this channel once again. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchorman at the free genuine airdrop. In this video, I'll be showing you how to be eligible for the W coin airdrop. This video became necessary because I had an initial video that talked about the eligibility, but later discovered that the information was not complete. I found out this through the comments made by the viewers of the video who drew my attention to the fact that what I just talked about was only about the pre-market NFT um, vouchers or whatever and pre-market trading. So I want to correct that information in this video. So if you are mining W coin, you need to pay attention to get um, the full information. So we're going to start from here before we delve into the full thing. First, we're going to look at the community section, which is by clicking on the join community. So we click that and get what we needed to talk about. All right, this is the information here. It says Mr. W once again impresses with his knowledge of space and the crypto market. Let's watch the new episode of W Space and complete the latest task. Please, PS, what if YouTube tasks affect your airdrop, but don't tell anyone? That way, you will get more. So what this implies is that the YouTube video carries a great significance. So if you have not watched the video, you need to go. But in this case, we're not just talking about one video. There are several videos there. So you need to go watch those videos and find their secret code and impute into the space that is provided to the box that's available for you to do that and then claim your points. So we're going to look at these things one after the other. So let's just go back to the WCon section. And then the initial information I passed was for you to click on this gift box that is in this area and see the information there. It says W coin pre-market. That is where I got the whole thing wrong in the first place. So trade W coin using vouchers before token is issued on lock conditions. What this means is that before the tokens are issued, you could still trade W coin ahead of others if you meet all the criteria that are listed below. Number one is connected Ton wallet. If you have done that, which I have done. Number two, active mate. I have three here. Number three, 10 completed task. Then number four, two completed campaign. Number five, one W key transactions. And number six, 100 WEI balance. Number seven, 10 completed stakes. And then finally it says you are not eligible. Why was I not eligible? I didn't have one W key transaction, and then I didn't have a balance of 100 WAI balance. So, but there is still something here that just struck my attention, which is this. There's a key here. I tried to click on that key and I found that there's something that is there. And it says 10,000 WAI coin. Didn't meet the condition but still want to meet an NFT voucher? That is a question. If you didn't meet the initial condition which we just read and you still want to want to get the voucher, what should you do? And there seem to be two options here. First one says 1.5 ton and the next one says 599 stars. So what this implies is that with 1.5 ton, you could still get access to that pre-market, or with 599 stars, you could do that. So let's get to the main reason why we're here. This one was just to correct the first impression or the first information about eligibility, and I had to talk about the pre-market. So now we'll go to the YouTube task and whatever. How do we go there? We'll click our back button and then we'll go to the task. So if you don't know where the task is, this is where you find the tasks. Okay, so let's open it. Now, you can see that there are four things here, or yeah, four buttons here. It says the T file, you have the YouTube, you have active, you have completed. T file carries its own information. If you want, you can also look at that. Then the YouTube is what we're talking about now, which we just looked at from the community. If you have not watched the YouTube videos, active one are those ones that have not been completed, while the completed one are the ones you already did. So let's look at the YouTube section. Click on it. Now, there are videos here that need to be watched. And I just watched only one. That's why it is ticked. But let's look at the second one and find out how and what is needed. Now, you have three buttons here. Input code here, check, and then find in the space number 9. So we are starting with the last button under, which is find the code. But after you find the code, you come back and input it in the box and click on check. That is simply what it means. So let's click on the code and go.
Do you need money but don't know how to earn it? I have a solution for you. My name is Jenny, and I'm the owner of my community.
Now this video is supposed to be for 3
Hello,
minutes.
Star Seekers. This is Mr. W, your cosmic captain on the W Space Show. Did you know there are stars so compact they could fit
So
inside
while
a
you are watching
single
this video,
city,
there are
but
two.
way
There's
more
one
than our
important
sun?
information I want
Let's
to pass to
uncover how
you.
that's even
This code
possible.
that you're actually
Once in
searching
a
for.
distant galaxy, I
Okay,
got
the
caught
first
in
one
the
just showed up,
gravitational pull of
1924,
something
on your left
tiny
side
yet
of the video, below that
incredibly
video that is
powerful.
showing inside.
Turning my ship around, I
Okay,
saw it.
then
A neutron star
that is the
erupted
first
into the
one.
supernova
Why before the
explosion.
end of the video,
Strap in
another one will
because
be
today
shown.
we are
What you
diving
simply
into
do
this
is
cosmic
the first
enigma.
one
Neutron
you
stars are some
put
of the
it and
most
then you add the second
fascinating
one. For
objects
instance,
in
if
the
the first one is
universe. Imagine a
2143
mass
and the
greater
last
than the
one is
sun's, but compressed to the size
9586,
of a
what you do
small
is you
city.
just add
Just
them
one
together, become
teaspoon of material
2143
from such a star would weigh
9586.
billions of
Do you understand
tons.
that?
These
You
stars
add
are
the
born
first
from
one
supernova
together with what
explosions
you
when a
already
star's
have.
core collapses under
Okay,
immense
and it
gravity,
becomes
turning
a
protons
full
and
a
electrons into
full
neutrons.
code.
And the most thrilling part,
Okay,
their
the comment
collisions.
section
These
here say
cosmic
watching from
giants create
Nigeria and whatever.
gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time
So we
itself,
are going
which
to
scientists
go back
detect
so that we
using
won't spend so
massive
much time
instruments.
watching
Ready for more
the
mind-blowing
video. Or
discoveries? Let's shift gears
yes,
to
we
the
will have to go
crypto
back
highlight segment.
because
Neutron stars are rare
or
and
let's
powerful treasures of the
fast forward
cosmos,
it and
just like
see.
certain crypto
Let's just first of all copy down the first thing we
city,
saw
but
there.
way more than our sun. Let's uncover how that's even possible. Once in a distant
Okay,
galaxy, I got
1924.
caught in the gravitational pull of something tiny
So
yet
let's see if we
incredibly
can fast
powerful.
forward it and get the second one. I don't know where
Cosmos
that one
recently
is
launched a new
because I don't want us to
21
wait
cents. This
waste the whole of our
collaboration
time
is
here.
like the gravitational pull between two stars, a powerful synergy strengthening both. Like an unstable neutron star, it displayed extreme volatility, with its market cap dropping 45% from $48 million to $34 million. It's a stark reminder that even a blazing start doesn't guarantee long-term stability. That's it for today, friends. Neutron stars show us that incredible power can be hidden in the smallest of scales. Similarly, in the crypto market, any coin could become the diamond that changes everything. Subscribe to the W Space Show and join W Coin to be part of this galaxy of amazing opportunities.
All right, unfortunately, I didn't see that second one, but let's just check the comment section if there's anyone that is here. If there's anyone that already has. Okay, the second one is 8576. So when you combine that, you now have 19248576. The first one is 1924, the next one is 8576. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, click on the input and then 1926, sorry, 1924, 8576. Check. Good. 1,000 and 100,000 received. That is it. Then we also have something here that says W Saga. So what you also do here is just to click on that W Saga and go back to what the videos that are inside there. I've also done one. Uh, what I've discovered here is that just from the one I watched, I don't know if all are like that. You don't need to come back with any code. You only just need to watch the video to the end, and you get the point 30,000 in the turn area. The same thing applies. I just watch one also to verify that what we have there is a little bit different from what is on the YouTube. So the YouTube, you need to find out, get the code. Why the other one, you just watch the video from the beginning to the end. But you need to be observant too in case there's any code in that area. So we'll go back to our main area and see if there's any other thing we need to do. Yes, we that WAI coin. How do we actually get it? So let's look at it again. Let's see if there's anything we can do to get that WAI coin. Okay, in this area, there's actually a link to that WAI. Let's click on it. Okay. Oh, unfortunately, it is not showing. What I had from the beginning, I had some fears that you will be needed to trade using the boat. And so because of that, I avoided it. But I just discovered now that it does not need you doing any active trading. All you need to do is just to follow the lead, follow the link, click on and ask the system to trade. And then it will start that trade for you. When it start that trade for you, it will just give you all that you need. It is not you that will um, impute anything. It is not you paying any money for it to do that. It will just mine the WAI coin for you. Okay, it will mine it for you, and at the end of the day, okay, now it has just opened. You can see my own section says there's a ticker on my own section, and I'm already 6.6 hours 56 minutes 45 seconds and so on. Is going down, and it has times 5. You can find that on the lower part of this video in case you are not seeing. There's one here, then the times 5 is here, and then the pre-mine section already I have 0.26 over 2 WA icon. So I'm supposed to get the 2 WA icon, but at the moment I have already mined 0.26. That's why my balance here, there's nothing yet, is 0. And I'm a newbie as far as this place is concerned. And from the information I got also, for you to be able to get more of the WAI coin, you need friends. So from the bonuses and whatever your friends are able to push you, you have a higher level of mining speed for it. But that notwithstanding, if you have not done that, just start to mine your own also, so that by the time the coin is to be listed or the airdrops are to be shared, you will be eligible to get all that you need to get. So that is it for the eligibility for the Bitcoin. If there's other information that need to be passed across to you, I will try my best to get them across to you as soon as well. And at the same time, I want to thank those of you who found out that the information was not complete at initial time. Thank you for the human job you have done. I really appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to join our subscription note, so that whenever new videos are published, you will be notified. Please, if you find this video helpful, remember to share it with your friends and like it as well. Don't always jump the comment section. Try and make it active. We will really appreciate it. Thank you, and see you again in our next video.